Hello guys, welcome to SQL Server tutorial YouTube channel. Today we will learn about SQL Server DATENAME function. DATENAME function returns a string of type and varchar which represents a specified date part of date, and the date part could be any day, month, year. It could be any second, week from any input date. And here's the syntax for DATENAME function. It requires two argument value. First one is the date part itself. Date parts, as we discussed, it could be any date name. Oh, sorry, it could be any year. It could be a month, day, week, second, millisecond. And second one is the input date. So input date could be any column name, and it could be any variable value. It could be any expression. So let's see how does it work in SQL Server. Here we have some declaration. We have a date variable and of type date time, and we have assigned some date to this variable. And in this query we have used datename function. For the first argument value, here is the date part. So here we want to get the year from the input date, and second one is the input date itself. So we have passed the variable right here as a second argument value. So in similar way, we want to get year, quarter, month, day. Here you can say the long list, the day of year, week, or minute, second, millisecond, microsecond, and nanosecond from any specific date. So let's execute the query and let's see what it returns. And here you can see it returns the date part from the specific date. So here it returns 2018. We can see for month it returns March. For day it returns 27. In similar way, for time part it returns 18 hour 23 minute. Here you can see. So this is the way we can use date name function to get the specific date part from any input date. So input date could be any like a variable declaration, it could be any expression, or it could be any column value. If we have any date column in our table, so we can use that column as well as a second argument in our date name function, and we can get a specific date part. So let's take one more example using a table. So let's see, here we have a table em sales. So let's see what we can do here. Here you can see we have one more column in our table, sales date. So let's get the value for the employee table right here, sales date, and let's copy few value right here like this, and the column name we will pass like this. So this time we are using the table column as a second argument. So here's the actual date, and these set of code will return year, quarter, day, month, day of year, or week from the sales date. So let's execute the query, and here you can see this is the actual date, this one is the breakup date part, year, quarter, month, day, and hour. It's a 0 because we don't have any time part in our date, so it returns 0 for hour. So this is the easiest one and function, and we can use it in our SQL code to get the, if we want to get any specific date part for any date. So this is the use of this function. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel for getting the latest video update on SQL Server. Thanks for watching the video.